So I'm applying my hair mask. I actually really like this stuff. This is the consistency of it. It's like a pudding. It's not slippery. It's really soft, really creamy. And I'm just trying to get it in there as much as I can. I started off, I kind of sectioned it off a little with my hands to apply this. And I'm applying all of this to my hair, making sure I get it. What I find is when I do apply it, it makes it easier for my pass through. Probably hear thunder and lightning outside. And I'm gonna apply it to my ends. As you can see,